So today we're going to talk about our properties of logarithms and how we can write them as a single logarithm or how we can expand them into a longer version of a logarithm. So your properties are listed at the top. You have when it's multiplication, it gets written as addition. When it's division, it can be written as subtraction. And when I have an exponent, it can be moved to the front of my logarithm. So for problem 1, we have addition, and our directions say that we need to write it as a single logarithm. So the first problem is written as addition, so that now gets written as multiplication. So my bases are the same, and it's going to stay a log base 3. Now I'm going to multiply 9 and 24 together. So on my calculator, all I need to multiply is 9 times 24, which gives me a solution of 216. So log base 3 of 216 is my solution. For problem number 2, notice I have an exponent, so I'm going to move my exponent to the front of my logarithm. So 3 log base 4 of 16 is my solution. Problem number 3 is an example of a subtraction problem. Subtraction now can be written as division. So log base 2 of 7 divided by 9. 7 is the first value in the problem, so it needs to go to the top. 9 is the second value, so it goes to the bottom. 7/9 cannot be reduced, so that is my solution. Next, we're going to talk about how to expand each logarithm, so we're still using the same rules as before. Now, this problem here is written as multiplication. Multiplication gets expanded to addition. So log base 3 of 27 plus log base 3 of x. Now, don't forget, when you write these as addition, you have to have log in both pieces. Problem number 8 is an example of division. Division gets written as subtraction. Notice that the 3 was on top, so it comes first. 7 was on the bottom, so it comes second. Also notice for this problem that there is no base written, so when that occurs, our base is understood to be a 10. Now you can write it in or you can leave it out. That's completely up to you. With problem number 9, I have multiplication, but I also have exponents. So this is going to cause me to have an extra step when expanding. First thing that I'm going to do is expand them by writing it as addition. Now I'm going to take care of my exponents. So my exponents now get moved to the front of my log. That is my solution. This should not have an exponent. And this value should be a y. Sorry about that. Okay. Now the last problems on your sheet ask you to find, to use the change of base formula to evaluate. We're not finding the change of base formula. You have the option on your calculator to put these in to find the equivalent expression. So if you go to math, so on your calculator, you press the math button and you go down to option A, which says log base. I now can type this in my calculator exactly as it is written. So 9 is my base and my value is 27. So my solution is 1.5. Same thing for problem number 16. I have to go back to math, log base, and I'm putting in 4 as my base and 12 as my value. So here I'm just going to round to 1.792. So that covers the information for section 2.